Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to the channel. Comedy Luxembourg's finest metal podcast. It is about damn time to do some reaction videos. It's been a bit quiet in terms of reaction videos, I know. I had a lot going on about my own music that will also drop very soon. Maybe you check the link in the description, you know what I mean. But in any case, I had to catch up on many things. Many things obviously is a bit too late because the songs and the records are out already. So we leave that be, but hey, there's one band that I had to check out. And I promised myself, dude, you have to do Atavistia, because Atavistia is like a freaking working horse, okay? They release music more often than I change underwear, probably. That's disgusting, but it is kind of true. The thing is, Atavistia is one of my personal favorite bands. That is one of them, maybe the most dramatic evolution in this short amount of time that they exist. Basically, they're there since 2016, and in these 10 years, they did so many things. It's undescribable how well they performed and the growth that came with it. And these boys are going to release a new record called Old Gods Awaken on the May 15, yes. And what I like about Atavistia, and that's kind of why I'm so curious and I wanted to react to one of the songs of the new record, is because this record will be totally different of what they did before. Because Atavistia doesn't do things the way others do, basically. I know them since One Within the Sun, they came the Winter Way, and obviously my personal favorite still is Cosmic Warfare because it's just insanely well written. But then again, they continued, you know, you had Inanna Dukan, which is an EP, you had The Winter Way Reforged, which is a newer version of The Winter Way, totally different from the original one. And now we come to Old Gods Awaken, a fully, let's call it epic folk / Viking metal thing, in the term and in the vibe of Anzifarium and yeah, everything that basically screams Scandinavian, like epic folk stuff. And I'm very curious to see where this is going. The song we are going to check out is called To a New World, and that will be featured on Old Gods Awaken. And without further ado, let me just get another sip of this awesome tea and we'll be checking out where this is going. To a New World. Let's go. Very epic. Yes. Again, this sounds very much like Atavistia, but yes, different. Damn, Matthias. That will be a crowd pleaser for sure. this is like Trollfest and Ethereum, everything that makes folk metal, even Ailstorm. I hear some Ailstorm in there. But then it's their own thing. It sounds very much like Atavistia. Ah yes, there we go. Very melodic, extremely layered also. Such an underrated band, really, it's insane. I didn't really know what to say, to be fair, because they just know how to do this kind of music, right? It's still so undeniably and pleasing to see that there's bands that don't care about who has been doing stuff before and stuff. I know they get compared a lot to Winter Sun. I myself said it. No, okay? This is a young band with a lot of potential, and I mean, if they can rip off like the, let's say, kind of technical black metal aspects like in Ane Dukan, or the really extremely, and again, my favorite record, Cosmic Warfare, a blast beat overload of stuff in the most cosmic way possible, and then go back to something very melodic and very happy sounding, you know, like Old Gods Awaken and this song, To a New World. I don't know what else they can't do, basically. I think, and it is, I mean, Matthias, the main guy of Atavistia, said it himself several times. Atavistia will release a shit ton of records in the near future. And I think he was not wrong. He was definitely not lying or implying anything that is kind of semi-done. Because I'm expecting, because they announced it, the follow-up to Cosmic Warfare as well. Good times to follow a motivated and very intricate band that really wants to, like, are hungry, let's call it hungry for more and hungry for attention. And I think they deserve every attention there is. So with that said, you make sure you check out Atavistia. It's such a great band. Check out the new record, check out their old stuff as well, because it's not that old, first of all, and secondly, it rips, okay? And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and we see each other very soon for either a new episode or another reaction. Until then, bye.